that you're going to be restored according to the former ruling when you were his cupbearer. So he liked that. That was good news to him. Verse 14. But remember me when it is well with you, and please show loving commitment to me, and mention me to Pharaoh and get me out of this house. So Yoceph said, okay, this is what's going to happen to you. You're going to go back and work for Pharaoh. But when you get back, I want you to remember me. Remember me, I interpreted your dream for you. So mention my name to Pharaoh and get me out of here. Because Yoceph didn't want to be there. I mean, he didn't do anything wrong, but he's there. And so this is the opportunity for him to get out. So if he could have just said nothing, but he had to say it. Everything that's said and done, it has to be said and has to be done. If he didn't say anything, then nothing would be said and nothing would be done. So it's important that he say what he's saying. So he's asking the cupbearer, look, please remember me. He's putting it in his ears, in his mind, so that he can hear the word. When you get out of here, talk to Pharaoh. Get me out of here. I don't want to be here. Verse 15.